Good morning everyone. My name is Chitrangi Sharma, and I am working as an assistant professor in Biani College of Science and Management, Jaipur. I would like to welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPR.com. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on one of the most frequently asked questions during the interview, that is, tell me something about yourself. We all know that interview is a very crucial time and we all get stressed during it. We all tend to get interview butterflies during the interview. And the first and the foremost question which is being asked in our interview is, tell me something about yourself. And as we all know this thing, first impression is the last impression. And this question could be a deal breaker as well. But you need not worry about it. It's very easy to answer this question, and today I'll try my hand on telling you how you could answer this question in a more effective way. So first of all, you should start with the introduction with a smile. See, for example, you are in the interview room. Interviewer is sitting in front of you and he is asking you, tell me something about yourself. What you need to do is keep a smile on your face and say, sure sir. A smile not only it increases your beauty, also it gives a positive vibe to the interviewer. So you will say, sure sir, as you know, my name is Chitrangi Sharma and I hail from Jaipur. If you want, you can mention your native place as well. After the introduction, you must move on to educational qualification. But one more thing, I told you to smile, but it should be a brief smile, or it would be enough if you keep a positive face. You need not smile during all the interview. I once saw an interview in which the candidate was like, sir, my name is Chitrangi Sharma and my educational qualification are this and that. You need not do that. Trust me, it will look really funny. So, moving on to our next thing, that is our educational qualification. Mention your educational qualification, but you don't need to mention from where you did your secondary, from where you did your senior secondary, from where you did your schooling and everything. Just focus on the degrees which matters to this job. Like you can say, sir, I've done my bachelor's in commerce, I've done master's in commerce, bachelor's in law, and also company secretary course as well. Focus on your graduation degree, post-graduation degree, and also if any specialized or professional degree you are having. One more thing, always mention your degrees in their full forms. Never mention your degrees in short form. Never say, I've done my BCom, MCom or LLB. Obviously, you are in the audience position, you can easily figure out it is more pleasant to hear when you are using the full form of your degrees. And be proud of them. After all, you have earned them with a lot of hard work. So after your educational qualification, move on to your experience. If you do not have any prior working experience, you need not mention this fact at all, because the interviewer, they might have already gone through your resume, or they will specifically ask you. So after educational qualification and experience, you need to move on to your characteristics and skills. Always mention your positive points which you think would be suitable for the job. For example, you can say, sir, I'm a very hardworking person, my communication skills are very good, I'm really very confident, and also you can add other things as well, like I've done MOS, I have a knowledge of 3 languages. Okay. Afterwards, here is the time for closure. Always close with a smile and say, sir, it was all about me, would you like to know anything else? You can proceed further. So this was a brief introduction how you must answer, tell me something about yourself. If you would go through the theory or the literature, people will tell you to mention about your weakness and your family background as well. But trust me, you need not mention your weakness unless and until the interviewer is asking you to. And one more thing, most often what we do is we try to portray our strength into weakness. Like we say, sir, I'm so hardworking that I ignore my family, or my never say no attitude. Trust me, this trick is really old now and the HR managers, they know it all. You are not going to get any extra points for portraying your strength as your weakness. Instead, you could focus on technical weakness of yours. Like, so I'm not experienced, but obviously there is always a beginning. Or you can say, I feel I'm little bit weak on technical front, but I'm working on it. One more thing, you need not mention your family background. Once I took a mock interview, I asked the student, so tell me something about yourself, and he was like, sir, I have 7 siblings, my father is in a government job, my mother is a housewife, one of my sister is married here, one of my brother is doing government job, one of my brother is doing BTech. It became really lengthy. And let me tell you, interviewer lose interest in your conversation within 60 to 90 seconds. So try to sum up your introduction within 90 seconds. So it was all about how you should answer, tell me something about yourself. The key is be confident, be relaxed. The interviewer is not going to judge you. He is just asking this question to know about your confidence, your passion, and also to break the ice between you two. So thank you so much. I hope I was able to satisfy your query. For more details, log on to www.gurukpo.com. Thank you, and thank you.